So as you come in, there's plenty of storage. You just put your card here, you get a card to open the door, and then you get a different card to put in there and operate the lights and everything. You've got a little peeky hole here, if you want to use that. We got just the cheapest room that was on with the agent, travel agent that we went with. It was a superior garden room. Plenty of storage, but as you can see, it's really, really nice. Plenty of storage. Safe. Just put in your 4 numbers and then press the hash key. That's the same to open and close it. You can get your laundry done at a charge of, let's have a look. I'll just show you a quick, roughly what it is. Okay. And then another third wardrobe here, and so the room's really nice, really spotless. Nice long mirror there. Balcony straight ahead through those curtains. We'll go to the bathroom first. It's a really nice bathroom. They've got a nice stone sink. Some tissues and stuff. Huge mirror there. Sink and towels underneath. Nice walk-in shower. You get lots of stuff, hand wash. And lots of stuff here, don't know if you can see, dental kit, soap, shaving kit. And then a shower. Oh, just noticed that you got a little thing to hang. I'm assuming it's to hang the washing on, not sure. Really nice room. All really nicely done. You've got your mini fridge filled with all the usual things. They fill that every day. You've got a nice balcony. Oh yeah, that is the light throw. And shall I seem to have a problem opening each time? I have no idea why that is. Right, there we are. Okay. Probably just me and doors. Right. Big, nice private balcony. Oh, you can see the moon up there. Up there. So you haven't. It's totally private here, so we haven't got anybody next door that you can set. We've got a really nice room here. Obviously, those are the people who've got their pool suites down below. think we spend our time a lot on the beach anyway, and they've got very nice pools, infinity pools at the hotel anyway. As you can see, the little buildings ahead there, that's where all the rooms are, so they're sort of tucked away from the hotel, which I like. It's really nice. And nice sofa. Oh, they left us these apples and macaroons. When we arrived, they got us a little plate of chocolates, which is nice. Show you the bed. And there's a TV. It's got some English channels. Oh, I haven't tried that yet. I'm probably not going to watch really any TV. Zero to phone reception. And yeah, it's a really lovely place. Really, really nice. And they're very friendly here. Oh, they've got the air conditioning, which is just straightforward. You see, oh, you can see it's got the on-off button there. Yep. Plenty of storage. Put my luggage there. Really nice. And this is the view this morning from our balcony. There's quite a nice wind here. It's the 12th of April.